Hi everyone, today we're learning about dilations on a coordinate plane. A dilation is a type of transformation that makes the figure grow or shrink, but keeps the shape exactly the same. Think of it like zooming in or zooming out on a camera. The image changes size, but not its shape. Before we start working with dilations, we need to understand two key vocabulary terms. The first is the center of dilation. This is a fixed point that the entire image stretches away from or shrinks toward. Every point in the figure moves along a straight line from its center point. The second one is the scale factor. This number tells us how much the figure gets larger or smaller. The two ideas, center and scale factor, guide every dilation. Now is the warm-up question. Determine which point is the dilation of point N, using O as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 3. Take about 10 seconds to think which point is. Now it's the same task but with a coordinate plane. Do you still believe your answer is correct? Okay, then I'm gonna tell you. F is the point. Because we have O as the center of dilation. We have O as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 3. That means the distance from O to the point means it's 3 times the distance O to the N. Let's connect those 2 points. See, the point is first part. So in this case, F is the point. Now I want you guys to take some time to do problem 3 and problem 4. Then we'll just come back and discuss together. Now let's look at problem 3 together. We have 0, 0 as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 2. That means the distance 0 to A prime will be twice the distance 0 to A, same as B and C. So let's draw the figure out. This point will be A prime because this is 1, then 2. And this point will be B prime because B is like 2 unit right and 1 unit up. So it will be 4 unit right and 2 unit up. And for C, it's 2 unit right and 3 unit up. So it is 3 unit up. It will be this point. So let's connect them. Then this will be the image. So for the coordinates, see, we got the correct answer. And we also get the image coordinate together. Now let's do the same for problem 4. They also use the center point as the center of dilation in a scale factor of 1/3. So let's determine the A prime, B prime, and C prime together. Point A is like 12 unit right and 3 unit down. So if we wanted to make it like 3 times smaller, then we will have like 4 unit right and 1 unit down. So that is the point A prime. And for B prime, right here. And for C prime, it will be just right here. So now let's try it. Then we get the correct point. And also the image coordinates. Now let's look at problem 6 together. The center of dilation is -6, 5 and the scale factor is 1/2. Tell me, for A prime, what's the point for A prime? Yes, the point A prime is the center of dilation, so it won't be changed. So the point A prime will still be there. This is the point A prime. What about B prime? B is 6 unit right from A, so if we have a scale factor of half, then will be just half distance, so this will be B prime. And for C prime, also C has like 10 unit right and 3 unit down. Oh, sorry, 2 unit. So that will be right here. And also for D prime, it will be here. Now let's try it. Dun-dun! Finally, I have an activity for you guys. Now we just look back at all dilations from the activity. We do problem 3, 4, and 6 together. And I just want to know, how was problem 6 different from the other problems? Yes, problem 6 has different center of dilation. See, problem 3, they have dilation at the center point. Problem 4 also has center of dilation at 0, 0, but problem 6, they don't have the center of dilation at the original point. So that is the difference. And I also want to know the strategies that you do differently. For center of dilations is not at the center point, it will be easier if we just measure the distance, like take how many units right, up or down, then we just use the scale factor to apply for that distance. But if we have a center dilation at 0, 0, we have like an easier method to do that. See, let's look at problem 3 together. We have scale factor of 2, so we just multiply the scale factor to those coordinates, then we get the new coordinates. The same for problem 4. If we just multiply like 1 of 3 to like those coordinates, then we get the new coordinates. There's like few things I wanted to remind you. If the scale factor is greater than 1, the image gets bigger. If the scale factor is between 0 and 1, the image will get smaller. And when the center of dilation is origin 0, 0, we can just use the multiply rule, like we can just multiply the scale factor to those coordinates. That would be an easier part, but be careful. If the center of dilation is not the origin, we cannot use this rule. That's all for today's class. Thank you.